Just make survive. The sorting and noise that you're hearing can be caused by a variety of reasons. Below are the thing to check. Separate the power supply can be prevented from noise frequency interference of other device. Try disconnect different device and turning nearby device off to see which one is causing the problem. Turn the knob that not in use to 0 can be reduce the noise. For general use, keep the EQ knob to the middle. When the Bluetooth volume is sounds low, try to adjust your device volume to 70 or 80% and adjust the master and Bluetooth channel to make maximum sound.